Now we'll go for another array named Path Array. So how will create a path array? If I take a SP line, suppose here, if I create a SP line here, and if I create a circle here also with 12-inch, and I want that the circle will create it with respect to that line. So how we'll do that? For that, we'll go for array and then path array. If I click here for path array, now it's telling us select object. So I'll click here for object, then enter, then select path curve, then I'll click here. Just see, automatically it have created several circle with respect to that path. Now if you click here, it will change. Now we can click whatever the distance between your path. So it will be suppose 5 feet, then enter, it will create 5 feet. And number of row. So here, how much number of row you need? If you provide here 2 and then enter, just see here it will give you row like that. Clear? So this is the way to create your array for any direction actually. Again, I'll go for different types of array.